Hey, Dan Baldwin here with a project manager big tip. All right, before you turn over any application to your customer, or if you're an IT manager, before you try to go on vacation, make sure that everything that could go wrong is properly labeled, and then you kind of walk them through how to troubleshoot, because 9 times out of 10 you'll be celebrating your anniversary, be 3 drinks into your anniversary champagne bottle, and then they're going to call you and say the internet's not working. So you want to walk them through, this is what's probably wrong when your internet goes down, and this is how to troubleshoot it. All right, you have to show them how the internet comes in. So show them where your internet router is. Okay, are there lights on the router? Here's our router. It's a fixed wireless internet router. Question number 1, are there lights on the router? If there's no lights on the router, go to the back and make sure that it's got power. Okay, I put don't unplug. This is the power cord that goes to your internet router. No power, no internet. Okay, as well, the internet in this case comes in from a fixed wireless dish. And so if you've got power to your internet router, then let's look at your fixed wireless. Here's where it comes in from the roof on the satellite dish, goes into the lightning protector, comes out of the lightning protector. Don't unplug this. Okay, goes into your sat dish PoE power injector. Okay, and then it goes up into this yellow cord. Don't unplug it. It goes into your internet router. Don't unplug it. You unplug it, it's a single point of failure. All right, this is a live stream for my client. They stream video. All right, if you unplug the internet, the live stream is going to stop. So do everyone a favor, whatever's not supposed to be unplugged, put don't unplug on it. Okay, because that way when they call you, you can say, is everything that says don't unplug, is it unplugged? Plug it back in. All right, and show them where it gets plugged in. And so here, if they get struck by lightning, this thing is probably going to die, or maybe it's going to die no matter, maybe it'll just go bad. So step number 1 is bypass the lightning protector where it comes off the internet dish, replace the connector that goes to the PoE injector. Just take this, plug it right into here, and see if that works. Make sure that there's a light indicator on your PoE injector. Okay, so your specific setup is going to be different for your client or for your company. Just make sure that you know, even if you're the business owner, you know, your IT guy might get hit by a truck, maybe he'll win the lottery and he quits, or she quits. Be prepared to be your own IT person by knowing exactly how the internet gets into your building, goes, you know, through all these wires, don't unplug them, goes into your modem that needs power, don't unplug the power, and then goes into your switch. Now, of course, you don't want to unplug your switches either, or your firewall. So know and explain to your customer. I was in the Navy, and you're constantly drilling for when something breaks. So with your customer, say, this is probably where it's going to break. Let's get ready to fix it. Show them from the modem or the internet into your firewall, into your switch, into your patch panel, up to your computer. When you go through it, then they're going to be pretty happy because you've empowered them. You've explained to them what an awesome labeled job you've turned them over with. Give them a little checklist. My customers, I don't make them, I tell them the first Wednesday of every month, do your failover check. Go to the back of your firewall and unplug the internet, the primary internet, to make sure it fails over to the secondary internet. Do that the first Wednesday of every month to check to make sure it works. So these are the things that if you're a project manager, you need to go ahead and do with your customer. If you're a consultant, make sure that your project manager is giving some sort of failure checklist to your client. Make sure you understand it. Make sure your project manager understands it. Most importantly, make sure your client understands it, and everybody's going to be super happy. This is Dan Baldwin. I hope this has been helpful.